glad to see you again, and I hope you enjoy these videos, these tutorials with this belly dance, Rasharki. And if you are not subscribed yet, do it right now, and you can receive all the notification when I post a new video. And I have a lot of videos that you should be watch. Not only for tutorial, it's only for fun, routine, and also interesting exercise and stretching, so you can be healthy and we can have fun and renew the tummy or belly expansion and contraction, because this is the most iconic move in this dance. So remember, belly dance, Rasharki, is always about isolation. So in this kind of dance, we try to isolate different part of body, so we can just show to the public, to the people that enjoy this beautiful dance, the different segment of our body is moved. So today we are going to break down the tummy or belly expansion and contraction, because I know this is why this Rasharki dance is nowadays a belly dance. But before we dive in our tummy or belly expansion and contraction for today's lesson, please kindly reminder that we have to have our beautiful and safe belly dancer posture, because it's not only the people watching and see you are in the correct posture, but it's also because it helps us to maintain our body safe and protect all this part of our body. So first of all, as I mentioned in previous videos, so if you have not watched it yet, I highly recommend that you go and check the previous videos and tutorials. So I'm going to link below in the comment. First, open your legs while open to your hips, toes facing forward, and your knees are in the same line of your toes and line with your hips. So toes, knees, and hips totally in the same line. Then thinking in your pelvic. So it's not over exaggerate your arch in your spine. Instead of that, you have to correct the posture, and you only have to try to push a little bit your hips, your pelvis forward, just a little bit, and then you can see you correct the posture and you are safe and protect your lower back. Okay, next part is your tummy, your belly, right? So you have to elongate your beautiful abdomen, your beautiful tummy, because you have to show the moves. And then your chest is up, and the most important, or one of the most important in this dance, is your shoulders. Why? Because normally all the time we have our arms in the second position or different position, and if you don't protect or engage other muscle in your neck and your back, you can hold your shoulder for more than 15 seconds. So this is the secret. Roll your shoulder up, back, and down. And I'm going to show you back. So roll up, back, and down. And you can see and engage another muscle in my back. So I not only rely on my shoulder, I am relying on different muscles, and I can hold this posture for more time. Tummy or belly expansion and contraction. This is the lesson for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, if you have any comment or you wanted to learn or you have any question, please leave it on the comments, and I'm going to answer all of your questions and comments. So the expansion and contraction is not related with your respiratory muscles. I'm going to isolate my respiratory muscle with my belly. Why? Because in belly dance, in Rasharki, all the time we are doing that isolation, right? So if I do expansion, you see I can still talking to you and smiling, and my tummy is out. And also, if I'm doing my contraction, I'm still talking to you and different things at the same time, because I'm not relying on my respiration. I'm relying only in my tummy. So this is the first tip or first thing that you have to keep in mind. What is the thing? First you have to do is just relax. Relax your tummy, relax your belly, just relax. Don't do anything, but don't overarch your spine. No, it's not that thing. Just your tummy is relaxed. It's relaxed. Let it go out. I know this is difficult because all the time, the women, we are trying to push back and keep the tummy inside. But for this exercise, don't do it. Just relax your tummy, right? And keep talking. This is your first challenge. So expansion, relax your tummy and keep talking. Tell me something. For example, tell me, how do you think about the previous videos? How do you think about this routine? Do you like it? Leave in the comments. All right, so it doesn't matter if you have a big or small tummy or small belly. Doesn't matter, because all this matter here is the isolation. The isolation is the thing that we have to keep in mind when we are dancing this rasharki or belly dance. All right, so we have our tummy out perfectly and we're still talking without any problem because I'm not using my respiratory muscles. The second part is the contraction, right? So we have probably in the central position, not totally out, but in my normal posture. And then I'm going to contract, right? Contract your tummy in. So you do it, the squeeze your ab. And this is also an excellent exercise for your abs. Believe it or not, it's a good exercise because this muscle is just working in this speed, or not on this speed. It's only because I'm doing the expansion and contraction and activating all these muscles, right? Let's do it again for this side so you can see the expansion and the contraction. Expansion, relax, and contraction, keep the energy inside. Expansion and contraction. Look, I'm going to show you for this side. So you don't have to use your pelvic, your hips, to do the expansion and contraction. So please don't do it the following, okay? Because this is not the thing that you have to do when we are talking about the expansion and contraction. Look at this. Tell me, what do you think? Expansion and contraction. Expansion and contraction. Expansion and contraction. What am I doing? I'm doing expansion and contraction, of course, and you can see that I'm using my hips and my pelvis, and this is not the isolation. We can do this in another moves in belly dance, but right now we have to isolate it. Only your tummy, only your belly, nothing else. So the correct is the following: posture, correct, and expansion and contraction, 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 expansion and contraction. And keep talking while you are doing your expansion and contraction, expansion and contraction. Well, I hope you enjoyed and learned something new with this tutorial about tummy or belly expansion and contraction. So thank you for joining today. I wanted to see you in the next video, and please reminder, subscribe so you can get all the notifications for the next video, and also it helped me to keep creating this content to you. So it doesn't cost nothing for you, but for me and for this channel, your channel, Movement Medicine, we are going to grow and we are going to give you all that information, and we see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.